This is a bathroom vanity that we got, and the problem with it is along its center line, you can see that there is a wall right here, and so the cold supply line is sticking out of the wall here, so I can't just put this against the wall. So what I'm going to be doing is relocating the cold supply line to be over on the other side with the hot supply line. As you can see, cold supply line is right where that thing's gonna be going, so I'm gonna have to move this guy. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go on the other side of the wall in my case, because there's another room here, and I'm gonna be cutting out the drywall there. I measured off the wall, found my 2 studs, so we're on the other side of the wall, and I'm gonna cut this out with an oscillating saw, so we'll do that, and then I'll be able to see our pipes from behind here. This is the cold supply line. We're looking at this from the back that we're going to be relocating. So I might use a grinder just to very carefully cut off this PEX connector. I might be able to reuse this guy, which would be awesome. The other thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to cut around this a little bit so that I can remove the fasteners that are holding this thing into that block that we saw right there. Now that we got the fasteners undone, this whole thing can come out like this. But now what I need to do is cut this PEX, and if I can cut this crimp, I'll be able to reuse this copper piece with the compression fitting still on it. The goal here is for me to basically get this stub out to go here. This is the finished product, and I labeled my hot one. It is still to the left, which is appropriate, but just to be safe, that's what it looks like. And I've got my compression thing back on. I do like to wrap them with paper towels, just that if there is a leak, even if it's a slow one, you'll see drips on the paper, so I'm just gonna leave it like that for a bit. I'm gonna patch these drywall holes, and should be good to go with our new vanity, so thanks for watching.